Have you ever felt invisible, even when you're trying your best? Do you ever question your value, downplay your achievements, or feel like you're never quite enough? Why do some people doubt their worth, even when nothing is actually wrong with them? If you felt this, stay with me. This video isn't here to judge you, it's here to understand you. Doubting your worth doesn't mean you're broken. It means your mind learned a story that no longer serves you. And today, we're going to unpack that story together. 1. How self-doubt quietly forms. Most people think low self-worth comes from failure, but psychology shows it often starts much earlier. You may have learned, without realizing it, that approval came after achievement. Love felt conditional. Mistakes felt unsafe over time. Your brain connected worth with results. So now, even as an adult, your mind keeps asking, what have I done to deserve value? This is where low self-esteem, self-doubt, and imposter syndrome begin. 2. The brain's bias against you. Your brain is designed to detect threats, not praise. It remembers criticism longer than compliments, embarrassment longer than success. So when you succeed, your mind says, anyone could have done that. But when you struggle, it says, this proves something about you. This is called negativity bias, and it silently erodes confidence over time. 3. Why comparison feeds insecurity. When you constantly compare yourself to others, your brain stops measuring growth and starts measuring worth. Social media intensifies this. You see confidence, not fear. Results, not struggle. Success, not process. This leads to chronic self-comparison, one of the strongest triggers of self-doubt and anxiety. 4. The real fear behind doubting your worth. At the core of this struggle is often one belief. If I'm not useful, impressive, or needed, I'll be rejected. So you overthink, overgive, overperform, not because you want validation, but because you fear invisibility. This is a survival response, not a flaw. How to start rebuilding your self-worth. Here's what actually helps, practically and psychologically. Step 1. Detach worth from achievement. You are valuable before you succeed. Say this out loud. I don't have to earn my worth. Repetition reshapes belief. Step 2. Question the inner voice. That critical voice isn't truth, it's conditioning. Ask, is this thought helpful? Is it factual or familiar? This builds emotional intelligence and self-compassion. Step 3. Collect proof of growth. Your brain believes what it sees repeatedly. Write down progress you've made, ways you've helped others, challenges you survived. This is cognitive reframing, and it strengthens self-esteem. Step 4. Practice self-validation. Stop waiting for external approval to feel enough. Say, my worth doesn't need permission. That's not ego, that's mental health. If you doubt your worth, it doesn't mean you lack value. It means you learned to measure yourself incorrectly. And the moment you stop asking, am I enough? And start asking, what do I need? Healing begins. If this connected with you, you're not alone. Subscribe to SenseThread, where psychology helps you understand yourself, not judge yourself.